asuntoskeuttiö Espoon Perkkaan talot. Itsehallintotie 1, niin Leppävaara Espoo staircase D.
The button is broken.
Aina. In 1999, 1259D.
Sounds like a traction.
Yeah.
But it's still hydraulic.
Yeah. Robot hydraulic.
The light is burning now. So are we gonna only film these D-series elevators?
No.
What are we gonna film after this?
Classics and probably archives. So.
Right.
It was sausage, 30 kilograms. Okay, nyt automatically cancelled the call, but expected by Kiva inspector and maintained by Kern.
Were these elevators cheap when they were made?
What?
Were these elevators cheap when they make them?
Answer, of course, cheaper than Kern monospace, but
Of course, because it would be nice if they would say a year also.
yeah.
But could we look that up now?
Yeah.
So we know it's 999. That level?
Yeah. That's it.